guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all well. In this video I thought I will do a bit of a DIY on how to make the Fenty body lover. It's been like all over social media, everyone's talking about it. It looks really good. It looks like, you know, it will definitely give you the glow that you want. It seems like it's quite pricey. I have seen a couple of reviews. I saw Jenny Jenkins one, and I saw Jackie Ina's one, and I've seen a few around. So I thought I would do a DIY version, which is like so cheap, like you can literally find everything in your house. So in my recipe I use mica, which you can order online on any sort of website that sells raw materials for skincare and stuff like that. But that's more if you want to go the natural route. But if you don't really care too much about that, you can just use a highlighter in place of the mica. So any highlighter or eyeshadow you can use in place of the mica, and it should give you the same results. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Alright guys, so here are the micas that I'm going to be using. You can mix these up to suit the color that you want. I just decided to do 3 separate ones. So I had a really bright yellow one, a bronzy one, and then a peach shimmery one. So the first one that I'm going to do is the lotion version. So this is just my shea coconut lotion that I have a recipe on my channel for, and yeah, that's what I use on a daily basis for my skin. So I've just taken a tiny bit of that, and I'm adding a bit of the gold mica to it, and I'm going to mix that together, and basically that's my body glow moisturizer done. So you can do, I'll have the exact measurements in the description box below. Here I didn't necessarily measure, but that's because I'm just demonstrating and trying to show you how I make it. This is the shea butter version. So this is my whipped shea butter. I've just taken a tiny bit of that. I'm going to add a different colored mica to that, and then make a different body glow lotion. So I'm just taking a sample, and then I'm going to mix it in with the shea butter, and it's basically ready to go. You can add in like essential oils and stuff like that if you want it to smell a certain way. You can even use like perfumes, or what's it called? What's a better word for it? Fragrance. You can use fragrances to, you know, enhance the scent of it. This last one I'm using sweet almond oil and a tiny bit of a different colored mica. I'm gonna mix that in, and then that's ready to go as well. You can use any oil of your choice, preferably something that's light like grapeseed oil, argan oil, or sweet almond oil, just so it's not too greasy on your skin. And yeah, you give that a good stir, and that's ready to go as well.
So moment of truth, guys. So this is, it's a bit hard to see, but this is the sample that I made for the lotion version. So the mixture of lotion and mica. This is how much I made. I didn't want to make too much because like I don't need that much. I will leave exact measurements you need to use in the description box below. In this trial I didn't use measurements. So for this you only need a tiny bit of the lotion that contains the mica. So about like just a tiny bit, and then we'll just try it out. So in most of the videos they were using brushes, but we're not going to use brushes. We're just going to like rub this into our skin and see how that looks. So this is really non-greasy. So you would pretty much use the same amount that you would use if you were like adding lotion to your skin, and just rub it into your skin. I only use the gold colored mica for this, so it's really golden and glittery. Like if you look at this side, my skin is generally quite glowy if I do say so myself. So like but this part is not as like yellow goldy as this part if you look closely. So this is the lotion one. It's really non-greasy because obviously it's just lotion mixed with mica, but it's like it gives you that yellow gold vibe because of the color of mica that I use. But it's gorgeous. It doesn't look like I've put anything on my skin. Okay, the next one we're going to try is the shea butter one. So this is what that looks like, because I use like a pinky pearly mica. It's a bit hard to see in the this wind, pardon me, it's so loud because it's so windy. So this is what the shea butter one looks like. It's a bit hard to see because of the color. It's like a pearly pinky color. So I'm gonna add that to this shoulder. I'm gonna rub that in. Ooh, I like this. I guess because it's shea butter as well. I feel like, yeah, if you use shea butter on your skin, you naturally have this glow. And yeah, and because shea butter is natural, it kind of absorbs into your skin so quickly without the greasy feel as well. So look at that. Ooh. And this is what, how much you have to pay to get this glow? Not much, not much. I do have a recipe for my whipped shea butter. I'll link in the description box below for people that are interested. But that's what that shea butter glow looks like with the pearly pink mica. So that's what this looks like. And the final one we're going to put on our chest will be the sweet almond oil mix and the like bronze colored mica. And we'll see what that looks like across my chest as well. I don't know if you can tell the difference. I'm sure you can, because this part is very yellow gold glitter, but not as shiny because it's lotion. And this part is shea butter pearly pink mica. It's a little more shiny because it is shea butter, so it's a little heavier than lotion. So yeah, I have a recipe for my lotion as well. I'll link that in the description box below. Let's move on to the oil one. There's a fly in my room that's like doing my head in. I don't know how it got in here. Anyway, so this is the oil one. I don't want it to go everywhere, but this is what it looks like. I only made a tiny bit for that as well. I'm gonna grab a bit. I just dipped my hand into it and that's what it looks like. And I'm going to dot it across my chest, and then we'll be rubbing that in to the skin. You don't want to use any oil that's greasy for this, because yeah, that's the last thing you want. You want to use like a very light oil, like grapeseed oil, sweet almond oils, oils like that, because your skin absorbs it pretty quickly. So it's not. So far this is what this is looking like. Oh, look at that. It's really glowy, and I only use like a dot, like a tiny bit of the oil mix that I have. So it's clearly very glowy, very glowy. But I think in Jenny Jenkins' video, she was saying how you know, it's a little bit oily, the Fenty Beauty, and I think this probably will be similar if you make the oil one. So if you're going to go to the beach or somewhere where it's going to be really hot and sticky and stuff, then you probably want to do the lotion version. And then, yeah, if it's like a cooler day or a day where you're going to be indoors and stuff, then you could probably wear an oilier one. So yeah, I think this is super helpful. Even if you don't make this and leave it at home, you can always just have the mica, and on days when you need it, you can just mix a tiny bit in with your lotion and apply it to your skin and get the same glow that you would with Fenty Beauty. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Did you purchase the Fenty Body Lover, or do you plan on purchasing the Fenty Body Lover? Let me know in the comment section below. If you want to support me, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and share this video with a friend. I'm sure someone will benefit from it as well. And I shall see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.